New research is raising serious concerns about the environmental cost of AI, and a study is warning that AI systems running inside data centers in Silicon Valley could release more carbon dioxide this year than many small countries. The study appears in the peer-reviewed journal Patterns and comes from a data scientist. In fact, the research estimating that electricity used by AI could produce between 33 million and 80 million metric tons of carbon emissions. At the high end, that figure is higher than last year's emissions from Chile, Romania, even New York City. The study also flags major uncertainty, the scientists saying AI companies do not share enough data, making precise estimates difficult. The research also looks beyond carbon, in fact. It estimates AI's water use in 2025 standing at between 312 billion and 767 billion liters. That number could exceed the 46 billion liters of bottled water consumed globally each year. And the author says water data is even harder to track because companies keep details secret. He further warns that AI power demand is nearing the level of a country like the UK, but the real environmental impact remains unclear without transparency. AI's growth has pushed massive expansion of data centers. In fact, this has increased electricity demand, driven up the local power costs, and also intensified pressure on water supplies used for cooling. Much of that water reportedly evaporates and does not return to the ecosystem. And these concerns have sparked backlash. More than 230 environmental groups in America reportedly urged the US Congress to pause new data center projects. The study builds on earlier findings showing AI electricity demand rising from 9.4 gigawatts in late 2024 to a possible 23 gigawatts by the end of 2025. The author cautions that pollution levels vary widely and public data remains limited.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.